This is TECNO POP 20. TECNO POP 20. So we have to hard reset it. This is how to hard reset TECNO POP 20. You press the power key, then press the volume down key, and then you keep holding. When TECNO appears, you leave the power key. You start by pressing the power key. Good. You leave the power key and keep holding the volume down. As you can see, this is it. And then you have to use the volume button to scroll to wipe data factory reset, and use the power key to confirm. That's it. Good. And then you confirm, and then your phone is formatted. So that's it, guys. Please, if this has helped you, don't forget to like the video so that YouTube can recommend my video to other viewers, and also subscribe to the channel for other tips. See you in the next video.